I'm going to show you how to get backer board and tile stuck together off quick and easy. And I'm going to show you guys how to remove tile and backer board when it's stuck together. At first I was using just a pry bar and chipping away little pieces at a time, you know, and I was getting little chunks. But after about 2 hours into this, I found out that if you take your pry bar and hammer it in and just go up a little bit, and I got this one pried up a little bit, but work your way and have it lifted about a ½ inch. Take a shovel, and what I've been doing is I shove the shovel under there and I keep going up, but don't let it crack. Keep working your way under there. Once you got it lifted a little bit, I got a pry bar like this. It's got a little bit of a bend on it, and I click this right here. I think I put it that way. See what I've done is built like a little hill under there. Now I can take my shovel and just slowly do that, but don't let it crack. Alright, so just slowly lift, and look what's happening. I'm taking out big sections at a time, so this is working out really great. I mean, must have wasted 2 hours to do like a little 3-foot section, and now I got a big slab coming out in about 5 minutes. So I should have this done in no time. So hope this video helps you out on how to remove tile and backer board stuck to the floor. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if it helped you out. Thank you.